Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, physical therapist, and I wanted to address a conversation that I had in the clinic the other day. Somebody was asking me about their total knee replacement. They were in the planning stages of having it, and they're trying to determine what kind of questions they need to ask the surgeon, how they should approach the whole experience. And one of the topics that came up that I think is an important topic for everyone to discuss is, why are you getting your knee replaced? And so while I would never talk somebody out of surgery, I certainly would never talk somebody into surgery. I think we have to look at learn from the experience of others and understand that if you're solely having the knee replacement to alleviate pain, probably not a good reason to have a knee replacement. And I think that if you talk to enough people, and that's the most amazing part of having the knee replacement support group, I get the opportunity. We have over 5,000 members in that group as of today. And even being a physical therapist with almost 20 years experience, I've had the great fortune of working with so many individuals who have had knee replacements for lots of different reasons. But I would say that if you look across the clinical research, if you talk to both patients, surgeons, therapists, you would find some consistent patterns. And one of the patterns is having a knee replacement solely to alleviate pain associated with osteoarthritis is probably not the best reason to have it. Now, a knee replacement because of stability issues, a knee replacement because of trauma like a car accident or something like that, completely different scenario. But the stats that I have seen, and you can look these up, we believe that 20% of individuals who have a knee replacement are never satisfied with the outcome. I've never seen the statistic to say how many patients after a knee replacement are 100% pain-free. I know they exist. I get a lot of them in my clinic, and I'm so happy for them. But I think that too often individuals are left with residual problems that they didn't necessarily anticipate, and so I think that patients are swapping one kind of pain for another kind of pain, one kind of frustration for another kind of frustration. And so while I certainly don't have the answer for you, and I certainly do everything in my power to help, I think that it's important before surgery to at least be mentally prepared. This surgery has such a strong, powerful, emotional impact on so many people, psychological impact on so many people. I see people every day who are dealing with just frustrations, depression, anxiety. And so I just want you watching this to be as well informed as you possibly can be. Talk to your surgeon, talk to a clinical team, not just the surgeon, but the physical therapist. If you have an opportunity to work with an occupational therapist, occupational therapy is such an underutilized opportunity in total knee replacement recovery, but I think they have a phenomenal skill set to bring to the table and should absolutely be part of the outpatient rehab team. Usually occupational therapy is used for inpatient rehab, but they absolutely should be used for outpatient. But really, take a look at the research, talk to people, and make sure that if you're solely looking for pain relief, your knee hurts so bad right now that you can't do the things that you want to do, and you look at images and x-rays and they say that you're bone on bone, which is a common report, I would challenge you, ask you to dig deeper and make sure that before you sign up for this, that you're ready for a possible outcome, that your knee could be worse in the future than it is right now. So just food for thought. Nobody has that crystal ball. Nobody can make a guarantee. Nobody can tell you you'll be better or worse. Nobody can tell you that this is the time for surgery. But I work with so many clients. I see so many clients, talk to so many people who are absolutely just dealing with new challenges and new frustrations that they did not anticipate. And I feel like they didn't have somebody to talk to before surgery to really go in it with the right mindset and the right plan. So I would love to hear from you. Who did you talk to help make this decision? Obviously your surgeon was involved, but did you feel fully prepared for the outcome and the experience you had after? Did you feel fully prepared for the outcome and the experience you had after your total knee replacement? Let me know in the comments below. This is a conversation that needs to be had, and I appreciate your time. I'll catch you guys on the next video.